What's going on, guys? Creek Reservoir. Let's go. Thought we'd try our luck out here. Plenty of cod, plenty of yellows, trout, reddies. Might have been a little bit too keen with the massive rains we had on the day after New Year's Day. How good is the old fishing line bins? These should be everywhere. So despite my best efforts, I didn't catch a thing. But my little photographer, the 7-year-old, she nailed the only fish of the afternoon. And a nice little reddie. That was it. One fish for the day. Is what it is. Like and subscribe, guys. Catch ya.